Possible tomorrow. SunSuper, what dreams are made of.
This weather report proudly brought to you by SunSuper.
Good evening, Livio Regano with tonight's weather. A tropical cyclone warning's current for North Queensland due to an intensifying low that could reach cyclone status tomorrow. The system won't affect us directly this far south, but hopefully it'll bring some cooler, damper, breezier weather later this week. The lack of wind's having a big impact on our temperatures today, with every single station in the Wide Bay reporting 33 degrees. That's about 4 above the March average. Let's go straight to the chart today. You can see the low pressure system. It's winding up into a cyclone, hasn't reached that status yet. At the moment, it's just over 100 k's east-northeast of Innisfail and very slow moving, probably moving a little bit to the northwest, but basically waffling around. Very strong to gale force winds now along the north tropical coast and driving rain. The rain gradually eases till you get south of about the Whitsundays. And in the southern areas now, it's been a very hot day because there's hardly any wind at all around that high pressure system. Now let's look at tomorrow's chart. Firstly, by this stage, the low will have probably intensified into a Category 1 cyclone, for which there are storm force winds on the north tropical coast, and again, lots of rain down to at least the Whitsundays. In the south, we get this inland trough moving across. It'll start to bring potentially severe thunderstorms, first to the Darling Downs and then eventually to the southeast coast. On the outlook chart, we're expecting that finally at some point the cyclone will turn around and start heading southeast, bringing the worst weather through the central coast before finally disappearing. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters: east to southeast winds just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, easterlies picking up on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we'll probably have a strong wind warning for southeasterlies up to 30 knots. Fraser Island offshore, same style, east to southeast 10 to 15 tomorrow, picking up very quickly on Wednesday and then reaching 30 knots by Thursday. The morning high tide's quickly approaching midday, and by tomorrow it should hopefully have dropped a bit, with Saturday's full moon now trailing behind us. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a hot day. There could be some inland thunderstorms developing. Bundaberg reaching 32 degrees, 34 for Gympie. Hervey Bay 32 and Maryborough 34 again. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, a welcome southeasterly change on Thursday should cool us down and beef up the showers for a day or two before everything settles back down for the weekend. And that's the weather for this first day of autumn, folks. For those in central and southern Queensland, I'm sorry the summer rains didn't come through as hoped. Would be nice if we could steal some from the tropics right now, but fingers crossed March delivers the goods. Catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. And as always, nice having your company, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Reminder, you can catch our news anytime on 7+. From the team, see you tomorrow night. Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, abuse